Good morning. It's time for morning meeting. If you have your morning meeting folder, you can get it. If not, you can just follow along on the screen. All right, so we're going to start with today. So today is, and it's the last school day of the week. Does anybody know what the last school day of the week is? Friday. Touch Friday. And we're going to say that in a sentence.
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday. All right, the month.
The month is.
The month is, does anyone remember? Can you touch the month? This month has Mother's Day, so it has a picture of a mom and a baby.
May.
Touch May. So let's say that in a sentence.
The month is May.
The month is May. All right, the date is May 15th. 15th. The weather. So depending on when you watch this today, it's supposed to be different all day long. So right now, it's a little bit cloudy, but it's supposed to start raining. So you can go look outside and see what it's doing. All right, so let's say rainy, because that's what it's supposed to do most of the day.
Rainy.
Today's going to be rainy.
The weather is rainy.
The weather is rainy. All right, the temperature today is going to be in the 70s. 70s. So it's going to be a warm day. Touch warm. Good job. And let's say that in a sentence.
The temperature is warm.
The temperature is warm. Good job, friends. So today's lessons, reading, math, IEP goals, okay? And our special areas on Fridays are music and that's it. Music. Nope. Music and work skills. All right. Have a great day.